to another video. You are watching Phones on George with me, Karishma. Today we are going to talk about none other than Nokia 2020 out here. Yes, today we are going to talk about Nokia's 2020 version out here. And talking about this variant, let us compare it with a version which was back then released out after this variation, because Nokia has always given a great changes out there in their variants. And with over a period of time, there has to be said that the structurality has definitely changed out. Yes, the structurality has definitely changed out. Talking about the structurality, we can say that the weightage has not reduced much but has remained almost the constant out there. And when we talk about this kind of variants out there, we can say that it offers you dual and single SIM both type of technologies. As well as when we talk about these kind of variants, we get to see that the technology, not only the technology but the structures and the functionality has definitely evolved over a period of time. Talking about this variant, you will not see the flashlight as it was seen in the previous versions out there, because Nokia has always been with the flashlight versions. Now, talking about this kind of a variant, talking about this kind of a version, TFT screening with 265K colorization could be seen. Along with that, you will see that the screen size is 50-50. The display and the keypad has got equal portion out here. That's why we say that it has got equality out there, as well as 2.4 inches screen. Talking about this variant, a drawback to this variant could be said that it only has a capacity of 500 entries. Yes, only 500 entries could be done in the phone book, which is again a very not a good advantage over here. Whereas you will see the expandability. Yes, expandability could be seen, so you can expand your storage capacity, because internal storage capacity is almost very nil out there, so definitely it's required expandability. But a good function, or we can say a good functionality, could be seen that it has got 2 megapixel rear camera. Yes, 2 megapixel rear camera could be seen, and that's why we say that this is good version out there back then when it was released. Talking about the good version, it has got slight drawback that it does not offer you a selfie camera. If it had a selfie camera, then it would have been one of the best variants in Nokia. Talking about the connectivities, it do not offer you any Wi-Fi connectivity but GSM technology out there. And when we talk about GSM technology, it gives you very light connections out there, very light connectivities. Whereas you get to see FM, because 3.5 jack is possible, as well as Bluetooth is there, multimedia is there. You get to see all the other features like document creation, voice memo, stopwatch, calendar, everything out there, multimedia, everything. Talking about the battery of this variant, we can say that battery life definitely owes something to it. Battery life can be considered as an okay variant as compared to the other variants, because offering 1100 mAh battery and 15 hours talk time is a good and okay version both. Some variants have given us a good battery life with 700 also. Like if it has a 700 mAh battery, then they have given 7 to 8 hours talk time. But 1100 to 15 hours talk time is also a good version, not a bad version out there. Since this kind of variants are usually very cost effective ones and can be very pocketable, but I have got a site which offers you this kind of variants in a very pocketable and a very less expensive, we can say, or very great, which could provide you a great savings out there, we can say. For that, all you have to do is go on Google and type phoneson.ae, or you can also go on the description link and you will end up to this kind of a website. This is the site name, phoneson.ae, and here not just one category but n number of variants in these famous brands are there. As well as this search icon helps you to search your favorite gadget. Like I am searching Nokia 220 out there. So the result is out. As you can see, the results are out, and when we see the results, we get to see there is a description box out here, and there are a list of categories, list of specifications out here, which you can see. When we see these kind of specifications, we get to know that everything has been mentioned out here, every feature has been mentioned out here. So that is the one advantage over here. Now talking about this variant out here, there is a condition written on this variant. The condition written is refurbished condition. Yes, I have highlighted it, and the condition is refurbished. So now let us know what is refurbished, how it is different from brand new, and what are the advantages of having a refurbished product over brand new, and whether they are good or not. So everything would be said. So let us first know about these two words. Talking about refurbished product or a brand new product, or talking about something which are absolutely quite similar out there. So let me tell you, the refurbished products and the brand new product, they are not much similar, they are not much dissimilar. Why we say so? Because the brand new product goes through a phase which involves just the company, the main company, the original company out there which has manufactured it, or the base point. Then it comes to the agency or the marketplace out there, whosoever is the retailer. Then it goes to the users. Yes, this is the main process for brand new. Whereas when we talk about the refurbished product, it has been an addition to it. Yes, it is an addition to it. Like brand new ends at the user itself, whereas refurbished adds on from here, like company, marketplace, user. Then what happens? Then user wants to give it back or does not want to use it. So that has been pre-owned phone. It goes back to an agency, a marketplace, a place where it can be valued, it can be tested out there. Then it is given a certificate, it is tested out there, it's certified, it's published on the site, and then it is again given to the users who wants to have that phone, who wants to have that variant out there. So this is an addition. That's why we say that refurbished products are like new. These are newly liked products, these are newly liked brands out there. So this is an addition to brand new products. Talking about addition and subtraction out there, what are these additional points of it, or I can say what are the parameters which are based on the certifications, how we certify them, how we test them. So they are absolutely same. They are exactly the way how brand new products are tested out, and how we test out the original products. They are also original out there. If we talk about refurbished products, they are absolutely original products. How we say so? There have been a list of parameters, like we get to check their quality. Quality is checked out on the basis of the external and internal factors. Talking about the internal factors, we can say the internal factors involves the operating system. Yes, the operating system it has inbuilt in it. If it's for Apple, it has to be iOS. It's for Android, then Android operating system. Any other operating system, it has to be checked. The CPU, GPU out there, the infrared ports, the Bluetooth connectivity, hotspot connectivity, WAN connectivity out there. Then you have to be checked that SIM is recognized or not. You have to be very sure about the SIM recognition. You have to be very sure about the internal capacity of that, external storage capacity, internal RAM out there. As well as there is an internal factors which involve the checking of the colorization, data wiping, the LCD screening, the capacitive screening out there, the touch screen. जितने भी internal factors होते हैं, all the internal factors which are involved in it. Then when we talk about the internal factors, they have to be checked very precisely with the processing systems out there, with other gadgets out there. Then we come to the next point, that is the external factors. External factors involves the main outlook, we can say, or the factors which we can see through our eyes. Yes, like we can see if we have a gadget, whether it is a proper size or not, whether it has scratches or not, whether the buttons built in it are working or not, the touch is working or not, the camera quality, video quality, audio quality out there, whether when we do a phone call, whether the calling is going correctly or not. Everything which can be externally seen has to be checked. As well as the battery has to be checked, whether it's taking charging or not. Everything whichever involves all the factors which makes a gadget a proper phone from brand new, like how a brand new phone is tested out on every side. Those tests are also for the refurbished product. When these tests have been done, when we say that these tests can be done and these are verified, then we see them as refurbished or a certified refurbished product. So they are the same out there. Now let us talk about the benefits, because there are few benefits of refurbished products over brand new, and why you can prefer brand new, or we can say why brand new products are quite good for the people who have issue with the highly expensive phones out there. Number one, if we talk about it, is the savings. Savings. One word which says itself. You get up to save a lot of money out there, yes. When we talk about brand new products, they are slightly expensive out there, whereas the refurbished products are quite less expensive. So there's a difference out there. There is slight difference in their pricing. So they give you a savings. So savings to ho gayi. How about the pricing? How if they differ, whether they're pocketable or not? Yes, they are pocketable rating out there. Yes, when we talk about refurbished products, they are so pocketable. They are absolutely pocketable rates out there. And when we talk about these pocketable rates, these don't just only offers you a good pricing for your favorite gadgets, but a warranty period too. Talking about the warranty period, we have seen that once a phone has been pre-owned, it usually do not get the warranty period. We do not get the warranty of that gadget. We do not get to see the warranty of that gadget. But definitely on the site where it is conditioned out refurbished, and especially in this site which we are talking right now, which I just took you out, offers a 6 months warranty as well as offers you 7-day exchange policy. So these are the two additional benefits of this site. Yes, of this site, especially if I talk about, these are the two additional benefits. 6 months warranty and 7-day exchange policy can be seen out here. Talking about the site out there, what else do you see on this site? I'm going to take you to the site and we are going to see how other benefits you can have from this site. So I have taken you to the site, and as you all know, the site name is phonezone.ae, which I'm highlighting right now. This is the site name, Phone Zone. As itself, the word says, phone zone. It's a zone of all the phones, or a place, or a location where every kind of gadget could be seen. Talking about this variant about which we were talking, we had seen that it offers you 6 months warranty and it offers you 7-day exchange policy. Already I told you that. Apart from that, COD and free shipping can be seen on this site. Yes, you can see COD and free shipping also. Apart from this, one additional or one good thing about this site could be said, it offers you 100% original products. Yes, it offers you 100% original products out there. And also, if we talk about this Phone Zone site out there, we can say that this site usually gives a delivery within 48 hours. Yes, in most of the parts of UAE, you get to see delivery within 48 hours. That is free shipping. Whereas in Saudi, it might take up to a week, and but the shipping is definitely free out there, as well as you might also see that there are various factors which are involved in the packing and everything. You get to see a perfect packed box with all the documentation and necessary accessories out there, all which have been listed by the company itself. So these are the few important points regarding the site. And if you like to order, you can place the order online or call on the executive helpline, which is in the description box. Link has been given in the description box. All the details have been given for ordering. You can place your order out there. Till then, take care. I'll see you in the next video.